My name is Anna, I'm a YouTuber and fitness influencer, and I'm always looking for ways to improve my content. If you care about the music you use in your videos, then I think this platform is a game changer for you. It's called Licked. I came across Licked when I was looking for popular songs for my workout videos. I searched up and down, I contacted artists, but there seemed to be no easy way to use popular songs in my videos without getting copyright claims. So my subscribers love working out to popular music. I can see that in the comments, so from their feedback. And it's quite interesting that my videos using popular Licked music have much better watch time than the other workout videos. This means my videos get noticed by the YouTube algorithm, and this helped me to grow my channel. Help prove the music industry that this is a service creators really want. The more creators sign up to Licked, the bigger and better the Licked catalog will become. Time to bring your videos up to a next level. Time to grow.